Hello everyone. Hello guys. Good morning. Happy Tuesday everyone. How are you guys? How is your morning so far? Good morning everyone. Good morning. Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. Didn't take any trades in Asia because I wasn't at home yesterday and no trades today. Let's see if we are going to catch some today. Tomorrow is from FOMC, guys. Keep this in mind. We are not going to be in rush. All right. I'm still holding my swing long on ES since yesterday morning. Let's see if it's going to hit final TP. I just like once again would like to see break above 6700 and that's it. Still holding this long. Let's see how it goes. Holding since once again 8 a.m. yesterday. Yeah, just watching the market right now as well. Chilling, like no rush. Maybe it's going to offer like salt opportunities if we are going to engage and kill this market. Maybe it's not. Who actually knows, right? Okay, here is the Euro futures. I was bullish to previous week high level and yeah. Yeah, I'm bullish on Euro by the way. To take this all-time high. It's not all-time high, okay. Never mind, it's not all-time high. But I'm watching for this monthly liquidity level. So it's my final TP. I'm not on this long. I'm just saying like I'm bullish on Euro futures to monthly buy side. I don't know why I was thinking like, okay, never mind. Well, over here, silver. Silver kind of like 50-50, I would say 50-50. I'm just not sure what I want to see on silver. I mean, I'm bullish on silver overall. I would like to see also monthly buy side liquidity taken. I mean, it's extremely obvious level. I'm bullish overall, just kind of hard to short this probably. Let's add for our candle to see what is going on there. Absolutely nothing. So I know, like, I'm bullish on silver, but I'm not sure, like, if it's going to really pump today. But buy side liquidity, monthly buy side liquidity over here is my final target, like key level. Levels I anticipate to get in the near future. Let's check a look at gold. I would like to see gold slightly lower. We have equal lows lower at 37.17 and we have 15-minute OB at 37.21 OB order block. 37.21. So I would like to see this at least like order block. We have perfect icon like over here. And right after this, probably equal lows. Yeah. Hello. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So yeah. So let's see if what we're going to trade today. Maybe it's going to be yes, you know? Yeah, I'm overall bullish like everywhere. On NQ, ES, Euro futures, silver, gold. I feel like I'm bullish everywhere. Which is kind of strange. Well, both ES and NQ stuck at New York with net open, but honestly, I prefer to trade ES recently. I didn't even take any trades on NQ. Yeah. You know, I feel like I'm bullish before FOMC and I'm bearish after this. Like, yeah. I would say it's like, yeah, tricky right now. I feel like once again, I'm bullish before FOMC, but after FOMC, Thursday, Friday is going to be bearish in my humble opinion. But yeah, it's kind of strange feelings. Yeah, I'm participating in the Trader Arena. I made $1,300 on my Ninja Trader like competition, and I'm sitting at I'm 140. I mean, like I took only one trade there. I see. I have no idea. Like I really like got perfect entry on my trading like Ninja Trader competition, and I'm only like locked $1,300. It's not even 10 micros trade, and I'm up one like I'm 140, I guess. Let's see leaderboard again, but I believe I'm 140. It's just like what? But once again, I'm not even trying. Yes, I'm 140. Still 140, 141. I mean, once again, I took only one trade. I see like some people like 2700. I mean, like how? I'm twice less. But once again, I took one winning trade and like I took only one trade. It's already win. I believe people really scalping this probably because I have no idea how they made $2,700. Probably scalping, I guess so. But yeah, I participate. I'm doing well there. Come on, like I made $1,300 with 8 micros. I wanted to add, but then I forgot about this trade and I realized this morning I closed the trade on the yes at Zibody top and it was $1,300. I mean, like, that's okay. With one trade only. But we're gonna see, we're gonna see. Yeah, 8 micros, $13,000. I mean, I longed. I know when it was. It was on Sunday. Don't remember. I will check after Steam. Yeah, I need to log in on my laptop. I will show executions later if you don't mind. I don't remember when I longed this. It was Sunday. Anyway, you got point. I will show executions later from my laptop. But sitting once again 141. Hope to get more trades. Yeah, that's good. So yeah, I mean, I'm not even trying to be first, right? I took one trade and it was win. I was like, okay, that's great. Yeah, I will show. It's not a problem. So once again on gold, I'm watching 15-minute OB and equalos. It's still slightly lower. But I'm thinking about Euro. You know, like I'm overall bullish that weekly chart on Euro. I would like to see monthly buy-side liquidity probably. But okay, sometimes it takes near buy-side and reversing. So I still would like to see higher. So nothing changed, at least to this buy-side. So basically high from July 7. What is your bias? Like, I mean, once again, I'm bullish. Even if it for some reason wants to retrace, I would like to see this. So like retracement, fine, but overall bullish. Silver, unfortunately, just don't see the trade yet. To trade something. Yeah, I'm going to watch silver, but for now, gold and probably yes is going to be my main chart to trade. You think it's the same? Yeah, we're gonna see, we're gonna see. Guys, did you see I upgraded my colors? No one said that. I mean, why? No one saw that? Mentioned that, huh? No more pink. I mean, maybe. Which one is better, by the way? Like this kind of colors or blue and pink? Let me know. You know what? Let me show you how it looks overall. You know, like I dream about this kind of colors in my background. But overall, guys, let's see. Let me show you how it looks. See?
Isn't
Isn't
it
it
amazing?
amazing?
Right?
Right?
I like this
more.
Like,
Like, look at these warm colors. I feel like it's better, probably, than blue and pink. But, oops, we lost me. We lost me again. Give me 1 second. Yeah, here we go. But yeah, I like these colors. Yeah, I have issue with my mic on that camera. I know. I'm gonna fix this. I do trade full time, yeah. Overall, like you know, like maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like before FOMC, I feel like I'm more bullish. But after FOMC, maybe Thursday, maybe Friday, I would like to see drop. So to trade gold in Asia, I'm going to type in the chat right now between 7 and 10 p.m. New York time, of course. You send me message on, you know, like I probably didn't see your message because lots of requests. What is your Twitter handle? I see lots of requests. What is my bias on gold? You know, I feel like overall it's bullish, but I don't mind to see the retracement lower. Okay, I'm gonna check this. 15-minute order block and equal lows. And after this, I'm going to see if it's going to offer opportunity for reversal. Probably I missed your... Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Okay, got it. Okay, I see your message. Okay. Like, yeah, 37.21, 37.17. So I would like to see a move lower first. And right after this, we're gonna see once again. For Asia session, it's going to be probably only Thursdays, at least for now. Yeah, guys, I was rebuilding my office, so I changed my desk. We were moving backgrounds all weekends. Unfortunately, I didn't have access to my computer. So, guys, I promise I'm going to do this week because once again, I didn't have access all weekend, including Friday. What about NQ? Like, once again, on NQ and ES, I feel like I'm more bullish before FOMC and bearish right after this. Talking about setup, it's a bit hard to say. I just, you know, like, I don't really see setup just yet. Oh, my bad. But if I'm going to execute, probably it's going to be yes, as I said before. We have some solid SMTs between gold, not gold, yes, and NQ. Oh, it's a gap because of contract change. That's why. If I'm going to use adjust to contract changes, it's going to disappear. I just, you know, like I found out if I'm going to use this option like off, my drawing is going to be at the same place when it was before. If I'm going to like click on, see my drawings shifted. But if it's off, it's not shifted. So I don't want to redraw levels. I didn't want to redraw them today. So I probably We'll drop them later. I need to change my hair. I mean, I didn't change this, but if I'm going to change, market is going to go crazy. 3721 is first level that I'm watching. Once again, I'm flat on today. I didn't take a single trade today. Really just flat. Do you like what? No, I never ever tried this in my life. Never ever. Okay, let's see if it's going to hit 15-minute order block. And right after this, we have equal lows. So let's see. If no reaction from 15-minute OB should drop to equal lows. By the way. I added, guys, everything for you. I added clock at the bottom of my screen with seconds. And added watermark here. Everything for you. You ask, I did it. Did you visit your country like 9 years ago last time? Honestly, like, I know, if it wants to reverse, really would like to see the reversal slightly lower, like from PDRA. And PDRA is going to be 15-minute OB and equal lows. Here's the Euro futures. I don't see a lot. Yesterday I was trying to short just 1 hour trade, so nothing interesting is going on there. No trades. I mean, I don't see like perfect trade just yet. By the way, I don't use NinjaTrader for charting, but you know how to switch. Over here, I use this for executions. I mean, sometimes I draw levels, like order block for just to show you, but it's only for executions. That's it. So executions, I copy all my accounts because I have lots of funded accounts. Also, guys, yesterday I bought Project X from Tradify. So right now I have a 150k straight to funded Project X account. So I got just one to try to see how it goes. No trades on it yet. Just bought this yesterday. Hello Dasha, when you got... I mean, when I go for break-even on gold. Once I'm up 1.5 R, that's my rule. Of course you can adjust this. Equals break-even. That's what I do. Always 2R is equals target. That's always. Oh, you mean this one? Change the color? Let's see if I can. I didn't change this for years. Okay. Oh. This one is better? Better? Yeah, okay. I'm going to post today, guys, on my Twitter how to do group trading on TradeAway. But if you want to copy across of multiple accounts, I highly recommend to use NinjaTrader because it's absolutely brilliant. Like we have Replikanto, it's paid copier, but I paid just one time 3 years ago, and it was its money. It's like around like $200. But I copy all my accounts there. Let me show you actually. Let me connect all my accounts to show you how it works. I'm funded with lots of accounts, guys. Lots of. Let me change to him here. For example, this is my copier, guys. So for example, let's say I want to copy, I know, like only, I don't want to change leader account because you will see all my accounts there, but I will just put leader here as him. For example, I want to trade all my, I know, like funding ticks accounts. Is it funding ticks? I guess so. And for example, I want to trade, I know, like only 5 funded accounts from Epics. So as you see, I have video about this, but I like this copier because I can pick, for example, I want to trade only 10 accounts. I don't want to trade all my funded accounts. Okay, perfect, amazing. I'm going to just trade 10. For example, cross order. Let's say I want to trade on my TradingView accounts minis, but on other accounts I want to trade micros. I'm going to use this. This means it's going to copy, for example, I'm in with 5 micros and it's going to copy on this TradingView accounts with 5 minis. Absolutely brilliant option. I'm in love with Replikanto. So many options. You can adjust contracts. Yeah, let me show. I have video about this, just in case you're interested in this. Let me link the video, guys, for you. If I'm going to connect all my funded accounts, I'm funded more than 30 accounts, I guess. I just realized that that's great. Also, I have, it's not my funded futures copier, it's Replikanto. Let me link the video, guys, for you so you can watch everything about this. Okay. Yeah, you know, guys, I set up my charts from the very beginning. So right now I use layout that I showed on the video. Oh, copy trade. I mean, I included all settings for Replikanto for copy trade. I mean, like, of course, you can record separate video how I copy my trades. You know, I have only TradeAway right now, only TradeAway. But the only issue with Replikanto, I can copy as many as I want TradeAway accounts, but I can have only one rhythmic connection. So let's say I have Epic's rhythmic connection, I cannot have any other rhythmic connection from different prop firm, which is like 50-50. It's all TradeAway right now. Yeah, okay, I will record separate video. It's not a problem. It's going to be a short video. It's not that hard to understand. Once again, I still holding my swing long on yes with stop loss at break even since yesterday. My target's 67.14. Thank you so much. Yeah, I will record separate video about Replikanto, but also going to post today on Twitter how to use group trading on TradeAway. It's easy, but unfortunately only with one prop firm. You cannot copy different prop firms there. All right, guys, let's see if we are going to frame any setups. Market is about to open. I'm not in rush, just chilling so far. We got potential 30-minute sweep, but the only issue, I mean, like, I didn't mind to look for long if it was from this level. Well, yeah, just nothing yet. Today is the plan is to survive. If it's going to be chopped, just survive in this. No, if you just want to like trade on Ninja Trader, just one account, of course you need Replikanto, but if you want to like try to, but once again, Replikanto is paid copier. So I paid, I believe it was $200, but it's lifetime fee. It was 3 years ago. But yeah, it worth it. It worth it. There are so many copiers, guys, right now. I just used to trade with Replikanto. By the way, one more question. One more question. Can you hear right now the music at my background? Yes, no, because I'm trying to like add some chilling music. Can you hear it? Is it loud? Okay, let's adjust. Let's adjust volume right now. What about now? What about now? It's loud? Should I leave like this? Yeah, it should be low because it's like background music. It's a bit loud. Okay, give me 1 second. Little loud. What about now? But it used a little bit. Okay, you know, just like background music, it doesn't need to be loud, but also like I want to like you hear this. Gun again. Well, yeah, lots of people ask me about this, so I decided to add it. Well, guys, let's see. We're still stuck at New York Midnight Open level. I would say New York Midnight Open level on Yes and Q is going to be key level for now. Yeah. So we're still trying to respect New York Midnight Open. We didn't break this level. But talking about like long right now, I don't really see long opportunity just yet. All-time high, like viewers took all-time high, or you mean like today again? Totally possible. Just as I said, I would like to long gold if I want to long a bit lower, not from current price level. Just in my opinion, like just not enough, but totally possible to see, you know, like all-time high today again. Strength to buy. Let's see. I'm bullish on silver to take monthly buy side. As I said before, we got 3 minute. Oh, it's not 3 minute. My bad. We got 3 minute OB here. We never got retest. We have some flat candles, but once again, I'm still watching slightly higher on silver. 545 level is final level for move higher, at least for now. Once again, if I want to long, it's just tricky spot right now. Yes, we got potential sweep. Yes, we got 3 minute OB, but honestly, kind of want to see maybe same move up, but from ideally from this level. So I'm not on long. Kind of no interest yet. Yeah, I also noticed like silver finally offers strong divergence, because like last month in July it wasn't that strong. Okay, let's check for our chart what we have there. So we're sitting inside for our fair value gap on both ES and NQ. Let's highlight this. I would say we can talk about like good bias if it's going to be inversion, like at 10 a.m. inversion, or just going to like respect this fair value gap, because for now it's kind of hard to say. Maybe I'm going to wait for 10, at least on ES and NQ. Yes, we have Asia low lower. I see this, I see. Also seems like it failed to offer OB on hourly. Yeah, I mean, like, ideally to offer order block, you know, like if I want to short. But yeah, not touching this yet. Especially shorts, not enough information to short this. So yes, kind of stuck at New York midnight open. Okay, alright. NQ balanced for our fair value gap. Just trying to be patient. Don't want to chase moves yet. We got hourly and 30-minute potential sweep. 5-minute order block was offered with displacement, which I don't really like. Yeah, if I'm going to steam Asia, it's going to be only Thursdays, guys. It's only time when I can't do this. But yeah, I'm working on this. I'm working hard on this. For example, yesterday I didn't take any trades. I'm not even sure if it offered any good setups. I feel like I missed really nothing. Once again, I wasn't at home at this time, so I guess I didn't miss like anything. It was a bit choppy session, but once again, need to look closely. I'm not sure about sweeps. I didn't even check this. You feel like NQ and ES is in the middle of nowhere? I mean, that's true as well, because we're at all-time highs. And it's so hard, really so hard to anticipate, like, looking for levels higher. So just, at least for now, lower we have our fair value gap and Asia low. At least for now. But yeah, this fair value gap is a key point. A reversal, or like reversal from here, or continuation. we gonna see. Here's the Euro futures. Like, nothing is going on there. But let's check CL. And CL. And CL I kind of don't mind to see 60, 47, 61. Let's check CL together. You got the closure. It's barely moved yet. Yeah, 61 level, 62 level. And that's CL. It's not a big move. You look good today. Hello, long time no see. Where were you? So I missed you. You used to be like pretty often here. So we don't want to touch ESNQ for now. Watching, not really watching yet, like sitting flat right now. Probably CL to 60, 40, 62, 61. Yeah, I will do Asia steam on, I believe, this Thursday. Not going to promise just yet. I'm not in trade yet. I mean, like, nothing to trade yet. I'm just watching. Look, it's always good to see which market is better. It's going to be gold, CL, silver, ES, NQ, maybe even YM, right? And if I see like solid setup, because once again I have choice, like 5 markets at least, where I will see better setup, I will execute this. I'm not in trade. Not yet. just for now. Just for now, flat. So both inside for fair value gap, Asia low is still lower. I modified strategy for gold. Yesterday I got 3 trades. 3 trades was just 1 hour. Basically partial break even, partial break even, partial break even. So yesterday was a bit annoying, but still ended up being green, like no complaints. But still, once again, wants to see a better picture. I'm gonna pause this week because I didn't have access to my computer since Friday after lunch. So I got access only on Monday. So working, guys. I'm so sorry for delay. So as I said before, I'm just a bit disappointed with this move up because I expect to get move up from some sort of PD ray. An hourly. Oh, okay. An hourly we expected for a value gap. Okay, maybe that's fine. I missed this. Okay. I was watching for order block, a bit lower. Still scam. Still scam. Why? Because I'm not in this trade. Okay, still flat. Nothing to trade. Slowly going to Asia low so far. Okay. All right. Hello, Jack. Hello, hello. We have. All right. Yeah. What is going on? Okay. Charts look strange. That's all I see. But anyway. We have potential sweep over here as well. We have 3-month OB. Once again, I'm not interested in Q at all. Just trying to see what we have on ES right now. We have potential sweep. No, it's absolutely ugly. Oh, not this one. It's absolutely ugly order block. Oh, happy to see you feel better, but I have COVID like 3 years ago. It was crazy. Trump is speaking now. You know, like at least for now, like there's no like sold opportunity to trade yet. Anything. I'm just waiting. So once again, yes, we broke below for value, but it's not inversion yet. I'm going to wait for 10. At least it will be better to understand the structure, right? Bias until the end of the day. Sweep indicator. Like there are many indicators. Let me see. Here's a link. What was the job before? I already said many times, but it was I was basketball coach for little kids. Like 3, 4, 5. There were some 6 years old there. But yeah, like little kids. Basketball. I was playing basketball for like long time, more than 12 years. Back to old time. We gonna see. Just sitting in my hands. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, basketball, yeah. I'm not tall, 5'6". See this drop? Honestly happy to see this. Because I'm not in this trade. Where you going? It's happening because I wasn't in this trade. It's trying to tell, like, I'm going to wait for Dasha. I'm going to trade slower for her, like, to enter. Hello, guys. Hello. So we have doubles. Like, okay, like, let's be serious right now. We have sweep over here. We didn't reach any high time frame level yet. Yeah, just minor liquidity sweep. Not that important, though. Fortunately, still more bullish. Scam. Yes, I do speak Russian. Of course, I know this language. I speak Russian with my family, with my kids, with my some friends, because I don't have lots of Russian-speaking friends, unfortunately. Thank you. What is going on there? You know, like, I'm waiting for 10 on NQ and ES to see if this flower for value gap going to be inversion or not. So maybe it makes sense to wait for 10. But yeah, approaching Asia low, I clearly can see this. This 50%? Which chart I used? 50 minutes. 50% of 50-minute week. How about gold? You know, like on gold, my original plan was I would like to see lower and reversal from this level or from this level. Pretty much similar long. That's why I was sitting on my hands, because I really didn't consider this a strong opportunity to long. Yeah, you're welcome. So sitting just for now on my hands, I see really nothing yet on any market. Yeah, I'm waiting for flower for value gap to see how it's going to close. We traded back to this hourly fair value gap on NQ, while we still have this open fair value gap on ES. Yeah, it's a bit choppy right now, so yeah, it is what it is. Hope to get set up today to trade something, because I need to have trading days. So I need to count the trading days. Like, I don't want to open and close the position. Just would like to get strong trade today. No, I have funding ticks, trade to fund accounts as well, and I execute only gold there. So I have 71% win rate, according to the statistic. I have 3 accounts with them. Oh, your GPA is 3 point... That's amazing. That's great GPA. You're doing so well. Funding ticks over. They offering right now good sale, but once again, depends what you want to get. Evaluation. Evaluation does not have activation fee. Or straight to fund. I believe they offering 20% right now. So I don't want to move right now on ES. I'm waiting for the closure once again. I like gold model more because I trade it more often. Yeah, gold model is better in my opinion. Yeah, TradingView launched Project X. They're running 40% off on all accounts, but not 150k straight to funded. This is what I got yesterday, by the way, because I'm practicing to trade on 150k accounts. You know, like to trade bigger size. Yeah, 71%. According to like funding six. Like I don't know how it counts. Like, but yeah, I don't count this manually. I trade. I like funding six dashboard because it's easy to see. When I take trades most, which one is better, like bearish side or bullish side. 71%. I was like, okay. I took only 40 trades there. What kind of music on background? If you're interested in this, just send me a message. I will send you this music. It should be free for YouTube. I mean, like, no rights on it. So basically, I'm waiting where we're going to close. It's going to be closure below this green box. So basically, fair value gap. Or inside. Is a low taken. Okay, all right. In 9 minutes, we are going to find out where we're going to close. No, I have planned to trade yes. But like absolutely nothing so far. So, bored. Yeah, gold looks bullish, exactly. By the way, we have low resistance to upside as well on ES. Yeah, I'm waiting for FOMC really, like, what will happen? Then FOMC. It's not orange, it's like orange, yellow, white, blue. That one's Russian. Are you serious? I'm waiting for MCF tomorrow. Yeah, I meant that one. Yeah, probably it's going to be inversion for a chart. Yeah, pretty much since market open, we just dropped. But not that much, like 50 points only of this 5-minute OB. Yeah, makes sense to wait for 10, in my opinion. Yeah, as I said, like gold model is way to go. Hope to get something during AM session, but I will steam PM session anyway, so maybe PM will offer something. Looking for longs on ES and Q. We'll see. So far, as you can see, NQ left Asia low, like 1 tick away. For 10 AM, if it's going to be for our inversion fair value gap or not. If so, if inversion, so I'm going to have British outlook for the day. Yeah. I cannot like use only gold model, like it's up to you, but you can try. Maybe you will like this. Yeah, I believe ICT said he's going to post a video yesterday at 8. I was waiting. I said like alarm, but I saw nothing. So I was wondering maybe something happened. But then he posted like he's going to post today. Maybe we'll see. Like yeah, I saw this morning he said like he's going to post today, but I was confident, like I was so sure he said yesterday he's going to post yesterday. Oh, patient. Okay, I didn't see that. Okay, my bad then. I'm on December contract right now everywhere. So in 5 minutes we are going to find out if it's going to be inversion or not. That's what I'm waiting for. So far NQ failed to take Asia low by 1 tick, which is honestly stupid to see. But once again, we're gonna see. I believe NQ needs to take this Asia low. But once again, it's interesting to see what we can get today, because tomorrow's FOMC. Normally the day before this is kind of just chop consolidation, but I was sure it's going to be pump and probably continuation tomorrow to drop on Thursday and Friday. I don't really use RTH gaps, but it's good to watch them. Oh, not trades yet. You know, like my original plan this morning was like look for this move and look for long from there. We reverse from hourly fair value gap, which is not that bad, but I expect to get a bit different situation. So guys, I'm completely flat on the day. Completely. I didn't even trade Asia yesterday. Like I traded yesterday. I took 3 trades yesterday, 1 hour, so basically partial break even, and that's it. So yesterday was good because I'm green, but at the same time it was annoying because it was like partial break even, partial break even, partial break even. So looking for NQ to take Asia low for now. Oh, you know, like I longed yesterday on ES at 8 a.m. I was holding all day. Yeah, NQ just took Asia low. I see. Okay, 2 minutes left. A bit more than 2 minutes left. Depends. Once again, in 2 minutes, I would like to see how we're going to play with far fair value gap. That's what I'm waiting for, guys. Just waiting to see, because I'm not quite sure about the bias before FOMC, to be honest, for the day. And maybe it makes sense to me to just see, try to frame setup based on floor inversion. Just trying to see if it really wants to drop, where it will go. Open, close. Open. Yeah, it can be targets. Open, close. Just highlighted quarters of this huge gap. I mean, since like we changed contract, we have this gap. It's not because of news or something like this. So it was contract from September to December. But I also would like to highlight like divide this in quarters, like 25, 50%, 75%. All right. Yeah, we have 4-hour inversion for value gap. It's new 4-hour candle right now. Okay. So I may actually watch 25% right now, 25% of these gaps. So basically price for this level, once again, no trades yet, just watching. 472 and 66.59.25. We took equals. Oh, okay. Gold is choppy, which is honestly not that good. I expect to get a bit better picture. Silver also inside this chop. Yeah, only option is ES and Q for now. A bit lower, 66, 68. Like, once again, at 66.59.25, we have 25% of this gap. Let's check SPX real quick. Yeah, we close this gap. We have old one. Open, close. Open. So next level on SPX is 8 points lower, which by the way will line up with 25% of this huge gap. Still nothing interesting, I would say. Let me bring this back. I feel like NinjaTrader is lagging a little bit. Because what is this? What is this? I didn't care, okay. Not going to pay attention. So stuck on this Asia low so far. But no reversal from this level, just stuck consolidation. I don't see any signs of smart money reversal just yet, so that's why it's sitting on my hands just for now. YM. Why always when I watch in YM, it's doing nothing. But once I ignore this, it always offers better moves than in QNDS. Why? Why? London low. Oh, I mean, where is London low? We took this long time ago. I love my accent, thank you. So 10 points away from next key level and like solid 60 points away from the next level on NQ. Since we don't have any signs of smart money reversal, probably I'm not touching longs yet. But at the same time, you know, like we got foreign inversion for a value gap, makes sense to offer like a bit lower retracement after this. But not going to predict, just going to be patient. So I'm ready to wait for 2 hours in case it in case I need to wait for 2 hours for my setup. You think it's going to fill the gap? Totally possible. I'm thinking right now, if ES is going to close above this level on 3-minute chart, can we pump again to New York midnight open? I'm not touching gold and silver just yet. In my opinion, like, it's stuck inside the chop, so I just don't really like want to touch this yet. Sometimes, yeah, it's just ugly and no reason to chase the price. Hello, hello. Market is waiting for FOMC. I think so. You mean Asia low? Well, you know, like, my original plan this morning was to drop basically to London low. It never ever offered opportunity. Oh, on yes? So basically it's going to be market structure shift and order block. That will be enough to consider a smart money reversal. I think so. Oh, I don't see short on gold just yet. Just yet. At least according to the model. What did you use for your entry? Like, I don't see a lot yet. But if it's going to retrace lower, I will be happy to see this. I traded euro today. Not today, yesterday. I got 1 hour and the rest up at break even. Oh, 1 minute for value gap. Oh, okay. You entered here. I see. I see. I mean, not enough for me yet. Let's see if I have SMT with silver. Give me 1 second. I'm going to adjust this. Okay, this works. Who's chasing you, like, guys? I'm kidding, but I know. So nothing on gold yet to short, for me at least. Have you traded like one time probably I tried to trade RTY. Not for me. Not for me. There's SMT between gold and silver. Why I cannot see this? Okay, give me 1 second. It's the minute chart, okay. Oh, okay, yeah, it's kind of big SMT. Okay, not touching this yet. I mean, nothing for me to short. Five minute SMT is scam. Why? Good job, good job. So basically we did drop a lot since market open. It's like not even 70 points. So basically, yeah, I still can say like we have small range today. I mean, I'm not going to predict where is bullish, where is bearish. I'm just trying to see what market offers in real time. It's going to be a better idea, guys. I'm so tired from predicting price action because it always stops me from trading. Like, I'm bearish, but I see like it offers bullish setup and I end up being without trades at all. Yeah. I mean, exactly. So talking about gold, I want to see slightly lower on gold. So probably that's why I'm not in that long. Like I want to see some OBs. We have equal lows lower. It kind of may make sense with lower targets. But once again, it pumped from our fair value gap, but I still kind of watching lower. I don't want to do anything yet because there is no setup yet. DSMT. DSMT. What is this? So many new names. I mean, like, I don't even know about them. So on yes, lower target is going to be 59.25. So basically 25% of gap. It's gap because of got contract change. Still, we have time to trade gold. Please just offer setup. Honestly, guys, like I can be wrong. Just structure still kind of bullish, but picture like this is going to be way better, honestly. But still, since structure is bullish, I don't want to short this. Oh, okay. For gold, I use SMC between silver. I mean, between silver is strongest one, but also people recommend to try this one. Also works well. I'm not looking for longs. I'm looking for short. I'm not looking for shorts yet. I'm watching probably gold. So yes, keep making new lower low while NQ still trying to respect Asia low. Okay. What with music? What with music? What happened? You know, like I was watching. Oh, you mean this huge OB? I was watching basically internal OB, but mostly 15-minute order block. So we got order block, propulsion block, and we never retraced to this propulsion block. That's why I was watching this 27:21 this morning. Guys, what is your bias on Q and yes? You bullish, bearish? What level you looking for? Like, I know, huge drop today on NQ before FOMC, but what will happen tomorrow then? Once again, I'm totally fine with this pump on gold. I didn't see like anything from my model. Oh, you're not blind. Don't worry about this. Follow your model and you will be okay. So like no complaints once again if you didn't like how many points you dropped? Like 70 points, 50 points. You didn't miss a lot. you know? Like, yeah, we took Asia low, but once again, it's only like 50 points drop. Fear of entering. You just need to practice to click the buttons, unfortunately. There's no any other way. Just practice to click the buttons. Yeah, backtesting. Backtest this, see it works on your backtest. You execute this, keep clicking the buttons, right? And right after this, do exactly the same process on your accounts. Yeah, I know, Frank. I know. I will do giveaways of TradeZella and FX Replay soon. So once we hit 30,000 people on my channel, we'll do FX Replay, TradeZella. I will do my funded futures. I will do Tradify. I will do Take Profit Trader. I will do funding ticks. What else I can do? I need accounts without activation fee. Funded next. With Tradify, I will do some straight to funded and some else. Yep. I highly recommend book tests. So I mean, oh, where it is, by the way? Right there. See, it's waiting for me. Like when I have nothing to do, I can just massage my hand, my palm. I got this on Amazon for $60. Amazing tool. My kids also love it. It's massage for my palms. Also, I have crystal ball. It also helps me with my trading. How does it feel? It's amazing. Yeah, I love it. You would like to see healthy trace on NQ? Yeah, I probably would like to see tracement to New York Midnight Open. Market move? Not really. I'm trying to adjust settings. Working on this. Interesting. ES offers shift in structure while NQ actually did. Let me check on MNQ. Yeah, it actually did. Yeah. Lots of blonde girls, exactly. We're like almost like, I would say 70% born with this kind of hair color. So yeah. All right. Let's see what will happen next. So we got remand OB. And I would say in both ES and Q. Seems like on NQ as well. Yeah, we got minor closure. We did? Yeah, we did. Watching if it may offer, like, you know, like retracement back to New York midnight open. It's really minor closure. You would play video games? I mean, like, yeah, it's my dream to play video games one day. I'm not sure if I have like code for FX replay. You can try Lumi, but I'm not sure if I have any. Alright guys, I'm still flat. I'm actually watching ES trade. Not in Q. I don't like this closure. If we can get stronger closure, I may actually look for trade on ES to aim for New York midnight open. I just don't like the closure on NQ just yet. So if, yeah, like plan is if it's going to offer stronger closure on NQ, I may actually try to long, not right now, but for 10 points probably on ES to New York midnight open. Just need to get, like, you know, like stronger closure here, which I don't really like for now. Like we got, let's see, like 1C closure, see this? Would like to get like stronger shift in structure. Yeah, waiting for NQ. Why am I waiting for NQ to trade ES? Basically, I would like to get shift on both, so it's going to be in sync, right? Otherwise, we'll drop again to the 6659.25 level. Gold. You know, like on new all-time high. Because I know my performance on ES is 10 times better than on NQ. That's why. I learned my lesson. Just going to stick with ES. I started trading futures on ES. Probably I will end up being trading ES and gold. If you think NQ looks better, I would maybe 1 minute chart. Let's check 1 minute chart. I don't know, like in my opinion, ES looks a bit better. You don't have any news at 10, right? I'm just trying to see at 11 maybe something, you know. It's 1 minute chart. I wouldn't, by the way, I wouldn't say like NQ looks better. It looks like garbage. Okay. We got 1 minute breaker block. Absolutely ugly example of this breaker block. Fair value gap. 2 minute chart. I know, like, it feels so tricky right now. We got 2 minute OB. We did trace to this 2 minute OB. We got propulsion block. We never closed above the swing height to validate this as protected low. Basically, it's not protected low. Protected low is this low so far. I know, like, not touching anything yet. I mean, I know, like, I don't really like anything yet. No, I'm not in trade yet. I will show once in trade, just, I know, like, I don't really like anything yet. It's really 50-50, like, less than 50-50. But yeah, that's low. This low is not protected low. Easily can be broken again. Yeah, I'm just probably wait a bit more because structure is not perfect yet for longs. What about 5 minute chart? Yeah, we just based on 5 minutes for a value gap for now. Yeah. Just for now, I will wait a bit more, so I don't think it's a bad idea. Just wait a bit more, so nothing good for me here. The 15-minute chart still bearish, extremely bearish. Small volume imbalance, but once again, we still have room to go lower, slightly lower on ES to this level. Yeah, just waiting a bit more. Nothing I really like yet. Can be wrong, but once again, I'm okay to miss a move, just for now. I mean, just don't like longs yet. Do you want to short gold? I feel like structure overall choppy everywhere, just for now. Okay, micro gold. Always trying to compare micro gold with gold, MNQ with NQ. Nothing yet. Yeah, I feel like I'm a bit more bearish on ES and Q still, just a bit more. We got huge drop on gold. Looks like it's dropping to my levels, which I hate a lot. Because sometimes when I see like gold taken out by side liquidity, micro gold leaving this level, or for example, micro gold or M and Q takes by side and Q or gold fails to take this level, it always like a sign for me that we may still retrace to that level again. Always trying to compare. Always trying to compare if we got OB on micro gold and gold on MNQ and NQ. Yeah, it was. I felt like the longs were kind of scam. So I honestly agree with you about this. It's not really like SMT, but yeah, it's always good to keep your eyes on this. Yeah, nothing to trade on ES and Q for now. All I see, we do have level lower at 66.59.25, but also we have low resistance to upset. So this means we can drop something like this. That's a question. Yeah, it's huge stop loss, unfortunately. I'm totally fine, you know, like sit without trades at all. Because I'm going to Steam PM session. Maybe PM will offer like solid opportunity. Maybe now. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I don't think like it's going to be 2R. Let me by the way change something right now. Yes, and Q barely moving right now. Garbage price action. Guys, what do you think about gold? Can we take Asia low? Like a real question. I'm not certain just yet, but I don't really mind. Maybe I don't want to see like retrace and back to this range again. I think it's choppy, but all I know, like I don't want to trade in Q and yes just for now. What is choppy is yes and Q right now. I'm wondering about gold. Short something like this. I will be annoyed to see like it's just straight move down without any retracement. But I don't want to see something like this. Okay, maybe not Asia low, but at least equal lows. I hope you get request on payout and funding TX. Let's see if I'm eligible already for this because I'm slowly building. Yeah, I think so at least. At least on one account I am. I guess only issue is my consistency. I will look tonight if I can request payout with funding ticks. Because I was doing well there, so well. Give me my money, please. But yeah, my consistency rule probably not best one. I need to have 25% consistency rule. I have more. Probably it's going to be problem. All I don't like is consistency rule for payout. That's it. Everything else is amazing everywhere. Okay, guys, I will keep you updated with my payout and funding ticks. Hope to get this as soon as possible, but I need to work on my consistency. I need to have 25% somehow. Yeah, it's going to be issue, I think so. Alright. I will work on it. Oh, okay, guys, video trace. Let's see if I'm going to trade this. Back to price action. How to improve consistency? Guys, how to improve consistency? Because I need to have 25% consistency. Mine is like 50, and I have no idea how to improve this. It will take forever. This means you don't have fully working system. Yeah, you're right. 71% is a scam. Okay, guys, I'm watching to enter the trade. I switch on my accounts. Let's see if we're going to execute something. Let's highlight some levels. So we have 3-minute fair value gap, right? What else do we have? We have 3-minute OB. We got the traces 3-minute fair value gap. This scam. Really? Okay. Guys, we got the question. I'm in this trade or not? What should we answer? Like, yeah, 34. Like to balance the statement for value gap. Also, we have breaker block over here. Like, also it's going to be OT. Where is my 50 tracement? No, I don't really like to draw on Ninja Trader. Like, really prefer to use this for just executions. Okay, let's see if I'm going to enter the trade. But yeah, guys, let me move a little bit to this level. I'm not going to long because that's all I know. I'm going to long from these levels. So we just hit 50%. It's micro gold December contract. 3-minute chart. I'm going to trade my straight to fund accounts, 5 micros. Full breakdown. Breakdown. Right, let's switch back. So we're spending 50% so far. What is scam price action? And Q&A is just garbage. I know. Why everything feels so tricky today? Like I normally don't have this kind of feelings like right now. So if stop loss are right above 50% of the SOB, which is 70.5%, you're spacing 50%, we're spacing 3-minute fair value gap. I don't know. Good sign, at least for now, silver is dropping as well. So probably, I hope it's going to support the idea of drop on gold. Let's see. You'll be 100% sure with drop if it's going. I wanted to say I will be 100% sure with drop if it's going to break this blue line. Would like to see that 27.21. So it's going to be probably continuation pattern, closure, fresh order block. So going to be better entry, I guess. Let's see. So if it's going to be a new order block, I believe it's going to be better entry. Maybe risk reward is going to be not that good, but guys, what do you think? Like another entry over here, if it's going to offer order block. Continuation. Because here we got order block, big range order block, so it's always tricky, but thinking about this trade, I feel like it's going to be better to aim for Asia low. I think I like it. Mm-hmm. One minute left in this candle. Yeah, I think I will like it. Just give me the closure. Just give me the closure, please. If this was like kind of tricky, like I know this one is going to be a bit better. I guess feeling is going to be a bit better with this trade. Yeah, propulsion block, exactly right. So basically continuation. Please. Once again, like At least comparing right now price action, gold looks a bit better. I like how silver dropping, so I hope gold is going to be a low drop as well. We're gonna see. Where's 2R? I think like if it's going to present 2-minute OB, I know where it's going to close because once again I cannot see the future, but approximately it's going to be near Asia low. Also 5-minute chart, look at this. Oh, we got propulsion block on 5 as well. Silver created order block here as well. So guys, I think it's time to drop hard. At least I think so. Let me remove this. Quick check, going to check levels on silver, where we can go. I think we can go here, like equal bodies. Also, it's 15-minute chart, okay. Exactly the same. Yeah, on silver, I would like to see... I don't know how to call this. Like, I would like to see a 865 level. So it's not that far. But if it's going to drop to this level, I believe gold can take a 15-minute OB over here. Like, over here. Let me delete this hourly fair value gap if you don't mind, guys. So I'm watching this level, like, first level. Level of support. It's order block. Some people call this, like, supply. 37.16. Yeah, it's right below equal lows, which I can actually like. Okay, let's see if I can execute right now. Yeah, like it's going to be... We got retest. Give me 1 second. We got retest of OB. Okay, guys, looking for entry. Oh, I'm about to short. We got order block. We got confirmation on silver as well. I hope silver is not going to drop without. I mean, like, sometimes silver is dropping while gold is just stuck. But I will trade gold. Yeah, we're trying to respect this level. So I'm not sure, like, about... Probably it's going to be just first key level. It's not obviously 2R. Major low. Well, we're trying to respect. I will enter displacement. Come on, displace for me. I will enter short at displacement. If it's going to be like just a quick reaction from this order block, we'll take immediate partial at this level, and I will aim for the rest at Asia low and equal lows. Let's see if I'm going to enter right now. Just need like quick displacement. I will jump this trade. I will put my stop loss over here and we'll aim for Asia low. I will show you. So I will show you. So no comments right now. I will show you. We're gonna see. Ninja Trader data is faster than on TradingView. This place for me. Yeah, I'm mean, I feel like it's not going to be a huge risk if I'm going to try with 5 markers. It's around like $300 only, so it's acceptable. Is that unicorn? I mean, oh, you mean like a breaker block and fair value? It can be. It can be. Come on, displays. Quick check on silver. The trace to the streaming at OB. Let's see if it's going to offer final reaction down to this level. Back on gold. Trend to displays. Come on, just bigger candle, bigger body for me. Yeah, by the way, guys, I prefer to use market order, like not limit order. I know, like some people love limit orders. It's not for me. Displacement means speed. So once we can get this bigger candle, it's going to be immediately it will go immediately in our favor. Trying to displace. Trying to give us a reaction from this level as well. Here's the displacement that I was talking about. I didn't get filled. Are you serious? It never filled my order. What? For some stupid reason, my order never was filled. Okay, Dasha, it's okay. Why? Okay, cancel on this. Are you serious? Well, guys. It's partial level in case you're interested in this. Such a scam. It never filled my order. Well, I'm disappointed right now. It didn't get filled. Really. It's market order. Why? I need to figure this out. Let me check my positions. I mean, like... Yeah, it's not working. It's nothing. Well... I'd be disappointed, but okay, guys, I'm still watching... are you serious? Well, I'm still watching for this key level. Yeah, I click sell market. No, nothing happened. How is that possible? Okay. Nothing yet for me then. Ninja Trader, what is going on? I mean, maybe it's not Ninja Trader, maybe just me, but what is going on? Okay. Okay, nothing then. I clicked... You know, like, I clicked this button, like, sell market, and nothing happened. Watch this. Okay, we'll try again. It's feeling like a scam right now, so... Okay, right now this place, I will try again. Yeah, I will try again. Let's check silver. Silver trying to respect the level. Yeah, I still can trade this. We have equal or lower. I'm watching for the entry, guys, right now. Not for entry, to enter the trade. So maybe it will offer better feel than it was like initially where I wanted to enter, because I want to enter exactly at this price level. Still bearish, yeah, still bearish, nothing changed. Watching for the entry. Give me the entry. Just a new displacement and trade. On MNQ, I have no idea. Really, like who's trading right now in Q and yes, it's just garbage. Like really. Here's way to go. If it's not going to play out, it's scam. I don't care about the equal lows really. I need this 37.21 level, and then I need 37.17 levels. That's it. I'm trying to respect this range. So tired to be sick. Today is the case, like right now is the case. If it's not going to play out, it's like this trade or nothing, really. Are you serious? It's not tradable. I mean, maybe for scalps. Maybe for scalps. But that's garbage. Just real garbage. Anyway. Do we have key icon? Not sure. Do we have key icon? Yeah, we do have it. Dasha magnets, yeah. It's power of magnets, 102% win rate. Where did you take partial? Why you take partial here? It's 37.21 partial. Otherwise, it's a scam. Equal lows taken, need to see 37.21. The problem right now is, I guess, is silver. It just stuck inside the range, but I don't care. This level makes lots of sense. This level is support. Is this level of supply? I don't know. Call this like you like, but this level is obvious. Also, we have equal lows, lower scissors. Should drop more. Because like, yeah, we took AM session sell side. That's okay, but I don't really care about this. Need to take 37.21. It was absolutely obvious level this morning. Like my long today, my long this morning, this long had to be had to based on this 37.21 level. It never happened. This means this level right now makes million sense. I know, like. It was 1 point away so far. Scam. For bullish setup, like bullish setup can actually happen from Asia low today or equal lows. This level of, once again, some people call this supply. Like, they like this. Yeah, but this level, if first level of support, it can offer the action. We're gonna see. Quick check. Just to compare. Same level. Then it's good. Check approved. This PX needs to drop 2 more points, like between 2 and 5 points lower. You got my point. Once again, I'm pretty sure. Once again, totally fine if we're wrong, but quite confident right now with 37.21 level. Probably confident with major low, but once again, first level of support is 37.21, not 37.22.1. 37.21. Anything else does not make any sense. Guys, I know, like, if you're in this trade, like, if so, where's your partial level? Are you going to take partial level? Or you took partial level at this lows over here? Share with me. Now, if you're trying to trade gold on my funded futures, you just need to upgrade your data. It's free. Go to billing section. You will find view market data. I know, like view market data, something like, I don't remember what it is. Then click on this. You'll find trader weight. Click trader weight, upgrade, and you will find like all data available. Just click everything there. You will be able to trade YM, ES&Q, gold, silver, CL, RTY, HO, RB, blah 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 blah. I believe billing. I'm going to type the process. View market. I don't remember exactly. Like view market data. don't think so. Trade await. Uptrade. That's it. That's all you need to do, guys. If you want to upgrade your data on my funded futures, do this process. I believe I did this right. I trade between 5 and 15 micros. So depends. So good, bad news. Micro gold took this level. That's why I'm comparing gold and micro gold. See, guys? Micro gold just took our level. Gold, it's about to take this level. Guys, it's partial time. Partial time, please. Take partial. Leave the rest to 3717.1. Maybe to Asia low, but I'm not sure. Stop loss to break even? Absolutely. Move stop loss at this swing high. It's not financial advice. Guys, move stop loss to this 3724. It's my recommendation over here. 3724.2 is your stop loss. You want to take another partial at this major low, you want to leave the rest to Asia low, or you want to close your trade here. It's up to you. Want to close your trade, guys. Close the trade. I mean, 1 micro to Asia low. All right. Stop loss, trail hardest. Guys, stop loss to this level over here. 3721 trail right now. 3721.1 is your. Just trail this. Whatever will happen, just trail this. Yeah, like 1 micro partial. Want to hold this? Okay. But trail your stop loss to 3721. No one cares anymore. I'm not sure about Asia low. It may take time, so whatever. Hold it to Asia low or close at 3721 at your partial level. Yeah, silver dropped. That's why we drop on gold hard. Interesting week, by the way. Just 1 micro to Asia low, if you want, once again, if you traded like a couple of micros. But once again, it's all out here. I would say stop loss to 3721 is good place, in my opinion. Oh, really? I mean, you closed early? No. Once we got the closure below this level, it was quite obvious. Love you, gold. Rainbow Monkeys, yeah. Once again, it's a bit stuck right now at this equal, which is absolutely fine. I'm happy to see this. Oh, $800. That's great. I told you long time ago, trade gold, guys. Once again, compare and tell me why I'm wrong. I don't care about NQ. Maybe yes, maybe, but definitely not NQ. Yeah, well, I actually entered displacement again. Yeah, I were hungry here. I hungry here. Like, I mean, like, really? But we got another displacement. It's not, at least it's not that bad. But guys, you know, today is the case. I'm not going to lie right now. If it did not retrace back to this entry and never displaced again, and it did not fill my initial order, I would probably cry. Because sometimes, I'm not going to lie, yeah, I can. Because sometimes setups are so amazing, you're waiting for 2 hours to, like, not to get filled. And I would probably cry if it never retrace again. Yeah, I can. I know myself. It could be biggest. Yeah, I mean, I'm not kidding, guys. Gold is better than everything. I keep saying this every single time. Second entry is just continuation. Propulsion block. I was waiting for displacement. Over here, it never filled my order for some stupid reason. At least with the trace again, it offered another displacement. CL is garbage. That's why it's garbage. Happy I didn't trade this. I mean, it could be painful. Okay, alright. Yeah. I like it. I like it so much. Yeah, say thank you to magnets. Rainbow magnets. Yeah, new video coming this week. I was busy like this weekend, unfortunately, but I will cover this model again. It worked from my phone. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. .9% of the time I trade gold. I trade micro gold right now because I need to work on my consistency rule. I guess each time I make more money. That's why this happens. So, alright. Concluding this move. I'm pretty much solid today. This account coming for payout. This two as well, but this one coming for payout. I hope to request this maybe like next couple of days. I trade bigger size. Over here it's 100k account, other 50ks. That's, you know, I used cross order. So for example, this one with mini contract, and I use ratio for method executions, and this one with just micros, but perfect trade. Once again, totally fine to trade with one micro because you're trying to build your edge, right? Twins model. I mean, you know, I tried the Twins model on NQ most of the time. It worked last couple of years well, but so far we don't have retracements at all. That's why I don't use this. You know, I blew my PA accounts like at the beginning of last month. 20 accounts, epics. I was trying to trade in Q. I was trying to trade these reversals. It never happened. That's why I don't touch in Q at all. Right now I have new 20 accounts with epics. Like I have fresh accounts everywhere. I have new My Funded Futures, new Take Profit Trader, new Funding Ticks, new Tradify. Like I have fresh accounts everywhere. So I'm happy I'm not in drawdown at all. Like all accounts in good profit right now. Because I didn't say like, I cannot say like my performance on beginning of July or like entire last month was perfect. It wasn't at all. And guys, I just figured out like what I am doing. Like really, I keep losing on NQ and I keep trading this. I mean, like, why? If I like, guys, what happened with me? It was like last month, second half of July. I was making perfect money on gold, and I was blowing this money on NQ right after this. I was like, why I keep doing this with myself? Like, why? And then I stopped. I said like buy NQ. I see like I'm not great in it at all. I would rather just stick to gold because it works for me. It works for everyone. I share this model with everyone. Everyone profitable. And remember what I said, I guess a couple of months ago? If you're not going to be profitable with this model, block me everywhere. I wasn't kidding. I see lots of people execute gold right now and keep saying thank you so much for introducing me to gold because NQ is really not what I can trade right now. Once again, I cannot say like NQ is garbage. For some people, it's brilliant price action. It's just not for me. I guess not only for me, like for lots of people. Guys, I don't do Discords anymore. Like, I don't know anything like any paid services anymore, so nothing. So if you have any questions, I guess best idea is just make a session with questions one time a month and ask questions. I don't do Discords anymore. I have people there, that's it. I'm not going to add new people anymore. That's it. I'm done with this. Okay, in my opinion, price action in Q became hard for me since April. No, I use futures. Just type GC. Yeah, futures over here. First one, option. It's futures. You can pick, I know, contract if you want, but futures. Yeah, and I was like, I'm going to repeat this again, guys. Maybe you didn't hear this before. I have only 3 accounts with funding ticks. I know I can have up to 5, right? I have 3. Okay, back to what I wanted to say. Like back to April, I don't know why I realized this only like April, May. I know why, but I was like, okay, I keep like losing on NQ. So what I can do to improve this? Obviously, nothing wrong with my model. I believe because it worked like 2 years like in a row. Like I had perfect performance on NQ. This means nothing wrong with my market, but probably market is a bit different right now. Something changed, right? And I need to adjust myself to these changes. And I was like, I'm doing my best to adjust myself to these changes, but I cannot do this. I really don't know what I'm doing wrong. And I was like, okay, what I can do next? And someone on Twitter, I asked this on Twitter, and someone told me, only one person told me, I don't remember who it was, but thank you so much to that guy. He said, why don't you want to explore different markets? I was like, really? Why? I mean, I'm going to repeat again. Candlesticks are the same everywhere. But sometimes when we have trend, like 3 months in a row, like uptrend, it's hard to find this, for example, this setup on NQ. I was like, okay, but I can try really different markets. And I started with gold and CL. This is what I traded. And I was like, oh, that works. That works. Why I didn't notice this like before? It was like extremely obvious point that I need to just explore different markets. And I was like, okay. First time gold worked. CL worked. I was like, maybe it's luck. Another week. It's still working. I was like, perfect. Like 2 months. It works. This means, what's the point to switch on NQ if you see like it's trend like 3-4 months in a row? You clearly cannot catch this trend. Once again, maybe I need to adjust my model to this. But yes, I'm real. What are you talking about? And once again, I keep watching NQ every day. I'm trying to build my pre-market plan, but I clearly can see that I cannot catch this continuation. Because as ICT trader, maybe that's me. I don't share payouts. I mean, I share with my friends, but I don't share it like publicly, but enough. I post this on my group, but I don't post this publicly. You know why? Once again, since I'm not selling anything, since I'm doing this for free, basically, if I'm going to share payouts, like monies they make, people will think like, okay, she's extremely profitable, and I will feel like I have responsibility to take only winning trades. And it will be hard for me. It's much easier for me to keep this, for example, with I share with my friends this, but I don't want to share this publicly because I will feel pressure to stream this every day. But enough. Good amount. But yeah. Last month was good. But once again, I know that's me, but once again, if I sell any courses like Discords, maybe I have to do this, but because I need to attract people to my group, right? But right now, not really. Yeah. People will think like I'm extremely profitable. I have 102% win rate. And if I'm going to take classes, people will think like, okay, it's, I know, like photoshopped. I know, like, it's not real. What's the point? I trade micro gold. I need to improve my consistency rule, unfortunately. So feels like I'm making like more and more on these accounts. Yes. Guys, so far, 99, these accounts, I have, I guess, more than 71% win rate already. But these accounts only for gold. Like before this trade, I had 71% win rate on each. I know, like maybe more right now. Yeah, I'm just trying to say... yeah, that's the reason. Once again, if I decide to sell, I know, like, I'm not going to decide, but probably, let's say, if I'm selling the courses, Discords, of course I need to pause this, because people need to come to me. But I don't want to do this. I want to just chill on YouTube with you guys. Share some... Once again, guys, I share the model that really works. And I really said, if it's not going to work for you, I'm scammer. Like, block me everywhere. I'm doing something wrong. I know, like, you got point, right? What do we have here? Garbage. Yeah, really, just block me everywhere. I'm humble, guys, but I swear, this model works. And guys, you know, like, what's the best point? I'm trying to find free indicators for you to use this. Like, there are lots of paid indicators, but I'm trying to just free and share with you because I know lots of people cannot afford them. Okay, nothing wrong with courses, and probably that's okay to me because once you spend your own money on this, you have to study, right? That's why I'm totally fine with selling courses. And Discord is just hard for me. I'm not saying like sell courses or Discord is bad. It's good because people like spend their money. They actually study because they spend their money. But for example, as Discord holder, it was hard for me. Yeah, I mean, you got my point. I know why YouTube doesn't want to pay me a lot. But guys, I don't make lots of money from YouTube, just saying. How to check this, by the way? Estimated revenue. Just in case you want to stream on YouTube. I know, like, maybe that's me, but YouTube doesn't pay a lot. for streams. I don't know how people make like thousands of dollars. I know like if you're interested in this, but my estimated revenue from YouTube, like I don't know if you're interested in this. Come on, where is my money? It's for months. It's not for one day. Where is my money? Why only $500? I'm here every day. But here, for example, if we want to start YouTube, I know like why, but it's not a lot, I guess. I saw people like making lots of money from YouTube. I was like, I'm definitely doing something wrong. Push down in queue. I mean, in queue, we have levels to go lower. Let's check gold again. Let me delete this. Okay, let's check hourly candle. Playing video games? Oh no, I don't have time for this, but maybe one day. I mean, you look cute today. Today? Only today? Are you serious? You have to say like you always look cute. I had like hard day yesterday evening. Yesterday was Monday, guys, and I was like, thank you, Rose. Yesterday was Monday, and I asked my husband to go to the restaurant at 7 p.m. And he asked me on Monday, do you want to drink? I said like, of course. I won't say of course no, but I said of course. And I decided to drink at 7 p.m. on Monday. I feel so bad right after this because I didn't eat anything like at all. I decided just to drink. It was extremely bad idea. Barely survived yesterday. Oh my god. I mean, yeah, I do have some time, but not on Monday at 7 p.m. It's beginning of working week. I know like why I decided to do this, but it was extremely bad idea, especially this morning. I woke up at 4:47 a.m. again. I felt like, no, I'm not going to make it. Oh, I never tried vodka, like, no. But it was hard. Never drink when you're hungry, guys. What I like more? I like margarita, like really with different flavors. I was trying with dragon fruit, mango, blueberry. It's amazing. It's my favorite drink. Yeah, I know it's bad. But come on, I don't drink every day. It's like one time a week only. But yesterday I felt extremely bad. I normally don't feel like this. So on ESNQ I'm watching for 66.59, 472.75. But you know, like I woke up at 4:47 a.m. today. I went to the gym, like cold bath, and after this it was okay. It was better than it was this morning. Sometimes I need this, you know, like sometimes I don't think like it's really bad. But yeah, not good. Okay, let's see, guys. We got minor sweep of this low, and we got flat candle, so we basically call this double sweep. I don't see right now continuation model, but consider double sweep. By the way, guys, make notes when we have double sweep, triple sweep, it's continuation reversal pattern. So basically, it's going to be continuation. Where it's going to go? It's going to go to Asia low. I entered at 24. Yeah, by the way, RDRB, yeah. Pretty much. So we got double sweep. It's confirmation of continuation lower. I'm watching for, yeah, probably continuation lower to take Asia low. The issue right now, yeah, I see this double sweep. I don't see the continuation model, I mean entry. Just trying to figure out if I want to engage again, what level I should use. Because once again, model not here, but double sweep, yes. Double sweep, good sign of reversal. Not only on lower time frame. But guys, when you see like double sweep, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, double sweep, triple sweep, keep in mind it's always great sign of continuation retracement. Always. Strong one. Yeah, I mean, like, breaker blocks, water blocks, that's okay. I don't really care about them. But overall, like, sweep, liquidity sweep, double sweep, triple sweep, it's always great sign of reversal. For example, maybe I didn't engage in this, but I saw this double sweep. And since I anticipated to get this level low, like this morning, like it was scam over here, really scam. I didn't engage here because honestly stop loss wasn't great, but that's why I said if it's going to close below this blue line, this place I will enter short. First order never was filled. Going to figure this out. I know why. Entered new displacement. I know why it didn't fill. Like it was market order. Market order. How is it possible? But it's okay. Maybe it's just. I know maybe what it was, but stop loss was above fair value gap. Targets, we got partial at this 15-minute OB. It was obvious partial. Final target was equal loss. Also, it was exactly 2R or 2.16 on this trade. Oh, you never say you know. Come on, like we have. I have video about this. Respect yourself. Here is a video. I have video about this model. Oh yeah, I call this. It's like I know, like if people talk about, I guess someone talk about this when we have double, triple, sweep. It equals strong. I'm going to like strong sign of reversal. Continuation. Oh. This was, I mean, for example, we got 2 examples today. For example, we got 1. Oops, my bad. 1, 2. Basically double sweep. Another example. 1. It's 5-minute chart. Give me 1 second. 1, 2. What this means? Strong sign of reversal. Continuation. Not continuation, my bad. Not continuation. Retracement. That's why I said, like, I don't really see entry yet, but we got strong sign of a reversal retracement. Triple sweep. Let's try to find example. It's a great question. Give me 1 second. I will try example. Try to find example. Not sure if I can find. Oh, for example, yeah, I found it. 1, 2, 3. See this? You can backtest this. Like triple sweep. I know, like you got it right. One, 2, reversal. 1, just 1, just 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. You got point, right? Normally, that's a great sign of reversal. A retracement reversal, but normally a retracement. Yeah, we can like add SMT to it. Like, I'm just talking about overall. Like, when I can anticipate reversal, retracement. When we have like strong sign of, especially on high time frame, on lower time frame as well. But lower time frame is lower time frame, right? Like, it's sometimes not exactly what we want to see because we can see double, triple sweep on lower time frame, but structure is opposite, like on high time frame. But hourly, 30-minute, 4-hour chart, double sweep, 1, 2. Oh, but basically 3. Why no one told me this? Like 3. See this? Triple sweep, we got immediate reaction. We're watching for Asia low. Like, once again, like just considering the sweep, maybe it's just a bit risky trade. But once again, yeah, we're watching for Asia low still. I believe someone already talk about this. I just know. Well, probably ICT talk about this. I don't know. But take notes. Like, try to backtest this, especially once again on high time frame, like 30-minute, hourly. What else? Like 4 chart. Daily is too much because it's daily. It's impossible to wait for this. What else? Enough. Like 15. Let it 15-minute, 30-minute. Oops. 1 hour, 4 hours. That's enough because daily it's just too long. It's going to wait for. We are going to wait forever for setup. Like 4 hours, like enough. Once again, when we have like double, triple sweep, we still can get the model. But sometimes you see this displacement, huge displacement. It was 3-minute entry. Like, yeah, once again, entry at the what moved? Like entry at the open of next candle. Yes. I put stop loss initially, as I said, above min threshold because when we have huge fair value gap, I also mentioned yesterday on Twitter, we put in stop loss above 50%. Like, I wouldn't say it was. I felt like extremely confident, but if it was Asia, probably I could feel confident because Asia is so obvious. Right now it's like but we were waiting for a new candle, continuation, fresh order block. I was waiting for displacement to enter the trade. First displacement was offered. Once again, I never got feel. I know why, especially with market order. Stop loss needs to be here. Target is equal lows. Then Asia low. We still would like to see this. It never filled my order. We got retracement, new displacement. At this point, it was okay, like to put stop loss above fair value gap and same target. Yeah. Oh yeah, 30-minute sip. Yes. Of course. And just like example. Once again, guys, just try. Give it a try to trade gold. Really. Because in Q, sometimes it's really like not obvious. It's really hard to trade this from time to time. Like last 3 months. Once again, some people enjoy trading this. I'm not saying like it's bad. But once again, compare this with this. Once again, this one with this one. See the difference? Because, okay, let's say I executed, no, like, let's say we entered the trade, I know, somewhere here, like short. I would probably feel much more stress shorting in Q than gold. London, I have no idea. I never tried to trade London. Yeah, there are many indicators. I like this one. So it's high time frame candles by FADI. Also use ICT, SMT by FADI. I basically use everything by FADI. Let me note this one. I'm testing also one indicator, but it's paid indicator, but I'm testing this based on model as well. But this is what I have, guys. Let me take a screenshot to show you. What I'm having right now is watermark, so basically this level. ICT hider from candles by FUD, as you can see over here. ICT SMT by FUD, so we don't have SMT. This is another watermark. So at this type of screen, it's easier for you to see which time frame, I guess, an instrument to trade. Frank, I keep asking you to trade gold since June. And this one is going to be paid indicator, but I'm testing this right now. So this indicator is going to be universal indicator, but according to my settings, I just highlighted setups that I trade. But I'm testing this, it's still beta version. But yeah, it's working. Some people asked about paid indicator. So this universal indicator that FUD working right now on is, it has option to trade my model, but it's not available for everyone yet. Once again, it's not my indicator. It's just universal indicator with lots of models in it. All right. What else? Guys, I'm going to Steam PM session as well on TradingView TV at 12:30, so basically in 50 minutes. Let me show you. For SMT with gold, you can use this one. Best one is silver, of course. This one is just additional confirmation. Some forex payer. But yes, silver. You can use just one if you want. I like option, like I can have two. For example, for CL, it's going to be RBHO. For NQ, I can like set ESYM. What else? That's it. I have video about settings for each indicator I use, by the way, in my YouTube. Just in case you're interested in this. Yeah. Guys, once again, I will Steam PM session. At 12:30 p.m. at TradingView TV. So I think we're done for AM session. I will see you in 50 minutes. Maybe we can get something on gold. I don't know. So yeah. I hope you are going to trade ES. I'm going to try to Steam on Project X platform because it's new. Thank you guys for watching. Save this tip, so try to backtest this. You will say thank you to me. I know. PM works. We're gonna see. I mean, I don't know. Like, I hope so. Well, guys, I will see you in 50 minutes on TradingView TV. What else? That's it. We will try again to trade. We will try to trade again. So I'm going to connect Project X. So it's going to be like TradingView, but like top step X. Okay, guys. See you in 50 minutes. Even less, in 40 minutes. Thank you, guys. Bye bye, everyone.